Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme, Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I will be going over Wordpress SEO. There's two plugins that you can use for WordPress SEO. They are Yoast SEO and Rank Math. Now, personally, I like Rank Math more than I like Yoast SEO, but I will show you both tools. There's also one other thing I'm doing, which I don't want to explain in audio because it's part of it, so I will explain it in the show notes of the podcast. Okay, so let's get into it. So you go to your product. You go to edit your product, and you go down, and you will see, where is it? 1 second, please. Okay, Yoast SEO. And there's the first tab. The first tab is your focus keyword. So if I'm doing if I'm doing a theme, if I'm editing a product that's selling audio file, like a WordPress audiophile theme, I'd probably want that as my keyword. Okay, so I put that in my keyword, and then I can see the Google preview. So I'm already assuming that you've added everything, right? So you have your description, you have your featured image. So then you can see a preview of what it looks like on mobile and desktop. Okay, and then you have your SEO title. There's the title. Here, can I see what it looks like? No. Oh wait, yeah, I can. So you have the title, which is the title of the product. Yes. Okay. Title of the product. Then you have the page title, which is most likely the title of the site. Then you have the separator, which is like a hyphen or something like that. And then you have the site title, right? But you want to make it shorter. So what you can do is site title. Oh, wait, no. Okay. You can do title, right? And that's the title of the product. And it gives you this little bar. And if it's green, it's good, right? And if it's too big, it's red. So I'm going to have site title, title, and then site title. See, that's too much because my name is too long. So I'm just going to have site title. Or no, title. Title. And then there's the meta description. The meta description can be anything. So I'm going to make it the title. And then it's orange already. Because it has to be like... Oh no, you can do... Oh, wait, no. It's orange. So then... here, I'm just going to add like the very top of the description. All the little information, and we'll see how that looks. That's super orange. So I'm going to keep the title and then cut the description a little bit. Helps relieve without stinging. Okay, and then here. Okay. Now, okay, it's orange. I don't know what else to do. Oh wait, let me add the Site title. Okay, site title, and it's green, so we can leave it there. Oh, and then it gives you like a bunch of SEO stuff. So it's saying I need to evenly distribute my focus keyword, so I need to put whatever I put in the focus keyword as like in my description, right? And then it's telling me that I don't have a lot of outbound links, so what I can do is link to like, you know, different images, maybe like a review, things like that. Then internal links, I can link to products that are similar to the product that I'm editing, or products that are the same brand, something like that. Keyword phrase length, no focus key phrase was set for this page. So I need to set the keyword, and then it'll give me like a number that I need to, a number of times that I need to add the key phrase in the description to have this plugin be satisfied with that. And the length changes by the amount of text that is in the description. Okay. And then it's telling me that my text length is only 84 words and that the minimum needs to be 300. Okay. And those are like the serious problems. And then there's like little improvements, which the little improvement I have is image key phrase. Images on this page do not have an alt attributions that reflect the topic of your description. So let's say for the featured image, what I can do is I can just add the title to that, and that will satisfy that. And then, so the first thing that I told you were red. The second things I told you were improvements. They were orange, and now it's green. So I have good images, good meta description length, and SEO title width, right? And then there's premium stuff, which I don't have because I haven't paid for this stuff. And then there's ad related keywords. That's premium stuff. Then track SEO performance. Track SEO performance. Let me click that. Okay, that's also premium stuff. And then there's cornerstone content. Cornerstone content should be the most important and extensive articles on your site. And then you can mark your stuff as cornerstone content. So you want to do this for like, you want to do it for like your most important stuff, like maybe new products, or like lead magnets, things like that, I guess. And then insights are premium. Okay, that's the first tab, and the second tab is readability. And then it'll analyze my words and tell me things like word complexity. Is your vocabulary suited for a large audience? That's a premium Yoast feature. Consecutive sentences. The text contains 3 consecutive sentences starting with the same word. Try mixing it up. Okay. And then it says, it's the good results. The good results. Passive voice. You're using enough active voice. That's great. Subheading distributions. You're not using any subheadings, but your text is short enough that you probably don't need them. Paragraph length. None of the paragraphs are too long. Sentence length. Great. Okay. And the third tab is social. So this is where you can fix things for Facebook. You add the image, you add the Facebook title, Facebook description. Twitter, same thing. Yeah, that is Yoast SEO. That's one of the WordPress SEO plugins, right? Yeah, and then let's see more stuff. Oh, and then there's rank math, and I like rank math better. I will show you why. Please connect now. Oh, that's awkward. I cannot do that. Okay. Sorry, it's loading now. Okay, so that was Yoast SEO. Now we're going to do rank math. And so right away, rank math has a preview of the product description and how it would look, you know, on Google when people find it. So you can edit that. You can add the title. You can add the permalink, which is like the end of the URL. You can add the... Oh, and these all are... They all also have bars that tell you if they're good or not. So like the permalink, it's too long. So what I can do is I can just start taking away from it things that I don't think people will look up, I guess. Okay, so I'm working on that, and it tells me that I should have 75. My permalink should be 75 characters long. Yeah, so as soon as I hit 74, it's like, okay, you're good. And the title should be 60. And the description should be 161. 100, yeah. Okay. And then there's also the focus keyword. So I'm going to do this. And let's see how that changes after. Focus keyword. Okay. And see, once I put like half the title in there, my score went from 13 to 62. So yeah. And then there's rank math's basic stuff. So basic SEO, and it tells me, hooray, you're using the focus keyword in the SEO title. Focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. Focus keyword not found in the URL. Those last two were bad. Focus keyword appears in the first 10% of your content. Focus keyword found in content. Content is 83 words long. Consider at least 600. So, see, that's one weird thing. Yoast SEO told me that my description needs to be 300, and rank math is telling me 600. So those are the basic stuff. Then there's additional. Focus keyword not found in subheadings like H2, H3, H4. Add an image with your focus keyword as alt text. Okay, so I'm going to take my title, click on the image, add it to the alt text. Then can I save it? I'm gonna set product image. Okay, and my score is now 64. So that's another thing, or that's one thing that I like about rank math. It gives you a little score. Yeah. So we're doing it. Where was I? Okay, and then it says keyword density. Now it's giving me keyword density. Keyword density is 1.2. The focus keyword in combination appears one time. Okay, so now instead of just saying like, oh, you need to have the keyword more, like Yoast SEO was doing, it gives me like a little score, so I know my score needs to be at least like 0.8, and I'm at 1.2. And then it tells me you're doing it too much times. So if I have the keyword and the keyword density is like 1.6, they'll make it like orange or red. Then URL is 74 characters long. Good job. Tells me I don't link out to external resources. Okay, great. it tells me to add do follow links pointing to external resources. So not just a link, but a do follow link, because you can make it no follow. Then you add internal links. It's telling me to do that. I haven't done that, so it's telling me to do that. You haven't used this keyword, this focus keyword before, and that's about duplicate content. Right. Okay. Then it says you are using content AI to optimize this product, and I think that's like, let's see what content AI is. Our content AI is built to use right inside your WordPress editor. So yeah, it's part of Rank Math, which Yoast SEO doesn't have. So that's cool. Okay. Right. Okay. What else is there? Then there's title readability. Focus keyword used at the beginning of your SEO title. Your title does not contain a positive or negative sentiment keyword. So you want to, well, what this is telling me is that you need to evoke emotion in your title. So one way you can do that is add like best to your title, and then look, it's telling me a positive or negative sentiment keyword is there. It used to give me like a list. Maybe if I Google it, and then it'll give me one. Oh, and then it says your title contains one power keyword, and that's okay. So 10 quick SEO tactics to help Google love your title. Okay. And then I'm going to do sentiment. Okay. So then positive is like 10 incredible ways to boost your sales tremendously. Negative is 10 awful mistakes that you can make to kill your sales. And then neutral is 10 ways to increase your sales. So yeah. And then power words has, so this is a list of 400, oh, shh, stop talking. So like power keywords are powerful, stealthy, ruin, sacred, legendary, riveting, kickstart, devastating, corrupt, impenetrable, budget, report, unconventional, stupid, shaking, spellbinding, impressive, magical, irresistible, on-demand, stunning. And then it also says that brackets and parentheses are good. Well, this little article says that. So what I could do for, do you see this in my YouTube channel? So I have the title like WordPress SEO, and then I have building an indie business in brackets, and that helps me get more views, I guess, apparently. And then you're using a number in your SEO title. So, 10 ways. For WordPress themes, I would do like WooCommerce theme for audio files. And then like in brackets or parentheses, I'd do 2022 or 2023. One of those. Yeah. So that's the first tab of Rank Math. And then that's the general tab. Then the advanced tab is like the robots metadata. So you can say if you want it indexed, if you want it a no follow link, if you want no image index, no index, no archive, no snippet. Yeah, and then advanced robots metadata, max snippet, Specify a maximum text length in the characters of a snippet for your page. Max video preview. Specify a maximum duration in the seconds of an animated preview video. And then max image preview. Specify a maximum size of image preview to be shown for images on this page. And then there's the canonical link, which you can create yourself, but automatically for WooCommerce, it'll be your URL / product / whatever your title is. Yeah, so that's the advanced. Then there's the schema. Configure schema markup for your pages, search engines. Multiple schemas are allowed in Pro version, and mine is just WooCommerce product. And then schema generator is a button, so I click that, and then I do WooCommerce, and I use, and then there's the code for it, and then I save this for post, and that's it. And then there's social. There's a preview. It just shows me like the preview. Add an icon overlay, and that's the play icon, that's the GIF icon. You can add custom thumbnail overlays with Rank Math Pro. Okay, and then there's like a little tab on the right side for Rank Math. Oh, and this is where Content AI is, and it'll talk about like your word count, your link count, your heading count, your media count. So with all that I just did, my score is 66 on Rank Math. So what I would do usually is add the keyword more, add the text length, improve the title, add external links, add internal links, and that'll bump it up to about like 85, and that'll be green. And I try to make it, you know, above 80. Yeah. And then there's also Google Analytics, there's Google Search Console. For WordPress SEO, of course, there's a plugin for Google Search Console, and with that plugin, you can connect Google Search Console to WordPress, your WordPress site, and it's a little less complicated than having to add your website to Google Search Console on your own. Yeah, and this is, so I did it for a product page, but you can do this for any page, and that will, you know, increase your product description. No, not increase you and your whatever you want to rank for, WordPress stuff, blah blah blah. You have to submit the XML file or XML sitemap to Google Search Console anytime you have a website that you create your store on, your whatever. So WordPress, Shopify, any other place, they create the XML file. So yeah, you can just find that. I think, let's try it for alexedmonds.net. I think it's just like sitemap.net slash sitemap.xml. Okay, it's not that. It's sitemap. No, it's not that either. I don't have an active WordPress site, so I can't just Google it. That was my only active WordPress site. Okay, what else is there? There's also SEO Squirrel. I haven't used SEO or Squirrely, SEO Squirrely. I haven't used it. I haven't tried it, so I can't talk about it, but you know, I've used the other two, Rank Math and Yoast SEO. So those are fine. You only need one WordPress SEO plugin. So yeah. Yes. What else is there? Yeah, so in my opinion, those are the best WordPress plugins, or best WordPress SEO plugins. Not just the best WordPress plugins, but WordPress SEO plugins. Best WordPress SEO plugins. Yes. Yeah, I think that's it for this episode. This will definitely help you rank higher, and get you higher in the search results, get more visitors. Yeah. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.